Hey guys, Harry here from ZBros, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of walkthrough on Inazuma 11 2 Blizzard. And sorry it's bad quality. I'm trying to get a bomb, but it's really laggy. So, oh, already got a battle. That can't be good. Score the first goal. So, if you didn't know, this game's football based. And last video we lost to the aliens, which you have to. It's always like 10-0 at least, because they're that good and they're that insane. So yeah. Yeah, this is really bad quality, so I'm going to put it down to my light and see if anything can move. No, it doesn't. God damn it, I can't even move. My webcam's not the best. Oh, get the camera! Miss. Badness, and I'm not pleased with that at all, guys. So sorry for bad quality. We'll be trying to do good quality videos that you like, to you guys' standards. And obviously, me and Brad won't be doing any videos together since he lives obviously in a different house to me. And I think I'm gonna faint. Oh. The only thing that really matters is you can read it and you can kind of see it. And oh, this guy's not going to let us through. That's mean. Just saying, this episode's going to be a bit of a walkthrough, and the next match I get to is going to be like completely different. It's going to be a match. And this game's Japanese, but it's made in England apparently, so it's got English, and they all have English accents, which I think is pretty hysterical. Okay, so yeah, I think I need to get a bit of a better webcam soon, so that recording will actually be good quality. Or I can use the internet to find me a good recorder. If I wanted to get into Deer Park, I've seen a walkthrough of this, so I know roughly what to do. It's pretty damn easy, I think. So we're looking forward to the unveiling of the giant deer statue with the shame. Okay, so apparently there are two old ladies that come up to me. So yeah. Okay, it's them two. So it's an old lady and a young person. And basically she's gonna help me get into Deer Park. So we could coax some deer out, create a diversion and sneak past them. But how are you gonna get kind of deer crackers, god. Okay, so we need to get back up there and go in, because apparently that guy's scared of deer. Boy, get on. Here you go, Mark. Okay, good. I've got the deer crackers. This guy's scared of deer, so some deer will probably come running down the steps because I've got the deer crackers and do some stuff. Just so you know, I'm going to be recording on DSi, like I am, because that's all I have, and Brad is going to be on 2DS. So he's got a bit of a smaller screen, so he's going to have to get much closer to the actual screen. And oh, here's a little battle. Okay, I'm just going to play this, getting possession of the ball, can't be too hard. Just done it. This guy is really good, he's called Jack, at getting it. If you don't get what the game is, you have to go around Japan recruiting players to defeat the aliens. And yeah, it's pretty damn confusing, but I'm getting used to it, I guess. So, I have to talk to this guy. You again, you really don't listen, do you? I'll say this very slowly. Go home. Gosh, it must be hungry work being a big tough secret agent. Why not treat yourself to a nice cracker? Go on, here you go. Dear God, this is gonna be funny. Sounds too dear. It's so weird looking at the screen and seeing the bad quality, and then looking up down to my DS and seeing perfect quality. Maybe if I make it a bit brighter in here it'll work better, so just bear with me. It'll probably be okay, but bear with me then. Okay, so there's no quality difference, it's just easier to see everything. But I have to go all the way up to the park where the deer statue is. And I know this just due to like Brad, because he's completed the game, just he plays Firestorm, I think it's called, where basically it's the exact same but different. So there's a tiny bit of a change, but not too much. Okay, finally I could switch the priority of the screens, that way I could have this screen up there and it'd be so much easier to record. But you can't have everything you want. It's an important life lesson. It's why I can't keep the ball. Oh. No. Damn it. I'll get to you in the next episode, guys. And you will see a full-on match against the Secret Service, and bye!